Wegovy is all over the news and social media. Does it live up to what they say? Let me break it down for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Eve Harmony. I'm a naturopathic doctor here at Eternity Health Partners. In this video, we'll be talking about, you guessed it, Wegovy. What it is, what it does, and why it's a great tool for your weight loss goals. Wegovy is the pharmaceutical-branded version of a natural peptide medication called semaglutide. Wegovy is generally prescribed for weight loss in patients who also have diabetes. Its counterpart, Ozempic, is also typically used to treat high blood sugar levels in diabetic patients. The truth is, they're the exact same medication, semaglutide. Wegovy is branded differently and comes in higher doses for controlling appetite and improving weight loss. Wegovy, like Ozempic, reduces appetite by slowing down the speed of food passing through the stomach, increasing the signal to the brain that says, "Hey, I'm full, stop eating," and it improves how the body uses sugar for energy. Because Wegovy slows your stomach down, it can cause you to feel nausea and heartburn as food builds up. It's important not to eat past the point of feeling satisfied. Wegovy makes it harder to overeat because you'll feel too uncomfortable. Some people say that Wegovy weight loss can't be maintained and that you'll lose a lot of muscle. I recommend focusing on nutrient-dense foods and making sure that you eat enough that you don't cause your body to think it's starving. The metabolic response to starvation mode is to reduce calorie needs and increase fat storage. If you make healthy food choices, continue to exercise, and don't starve yourself, your weight loss will be effective and sustainable. For this reason, it also comes with a large price tag. But did you know that you can get the generic version of Wegovy for a lot less? You can get semaglutide, which is the pure peptide version of Wegovy and Ozempic. It's more readily available for non-diabetic patients who need it for their weight loss journey. If you've struggled to lose weight because of cravings or trouble with portion control, then this medication is for you. It affects each person differently, but most people say that it reduces your desire to snack, won't let you overeat, and stops you from reaching for your cravings. Wegovy is an injectable peptide and is only available by prescription. Our clinic offers the generic version, semaglutide, along with the coaching and support you need to achieve the best possible results for you. When it's used properly, you can achieve and maintain your weight loss goals with Wegovy with no long-term side effects, only the side benefits of being in your best health. Click the link below and fill out your information to have our clinic reach out and answer all your questions about getting started toward your healthiest weight today. I'll see you there. If you like learning about things like this, then give that like button a healthy tap.